Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've forgotten your Dave password or cannot get in because your login keeps failing, here's exactly how to reset your Dave password in about 30 seconds without losing any of your account's data. First, open the app and then log in. On the login screen, after entering your phone number, you'll reach a screen that asks you for your password. Right below the password field, you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Tap that. They will send a verification code to the phone number on your account, the same number you use to log in. Then go to your messages and find the code from Dave and come back and enter it into the app. After re-entering the correct code, Dave will take you to a screen where you can type in your password, create a new password and make it something with at least 8 characters and a mix of letters and numbers. Confirm it by tapping again and tap save or continue. Your password is now updated and you can use it to log in going forward. Dave will log you in automatically after resetting. So that's it. All you gotta do is on the Dave login screen, tap forgot password, get the code by text, enter it, set your password, and done. Subscribe for more Dave app guides.